Spring is here, and you know what that means? Deck weather. Well, almost. But that's gonna be here before you know it. After winter, your deck can look a little rough. I'm gonna show you how to power wash this the right way, safely and effectively. First things first, clear off any furniture, grills, or anything getting in your way on your deck. Sweep up any dirt, leaves, or sticks on your deck. Okay, now that we've cleared the deck off, it's time to pressure wash. Now you could just use the pressure washer right away. We're going to do the extra step and spread soap across the deck surface. That'll help break down any loose dirt or grime. Just make sure you use the soap nozzle on your pressure washer to spray the deck down. And don't forget the railings. If your deck has extra dirty spots or mildew, give it a quick scrub with a stiff bristle brush. Okay, now for the fun part. Now most pressure washers come with different nozzles. We're using a 15-degree fan nozzle. Start about 2 feet away from the wood. You can move closer to deal with tough spots, but be careful. If you get too close, you could gouge the wood. Move the wand side to side in even overlapping strokes. Go with the grain of the wood and keep the nozzle moving. And just like that, you can have a clean deck ready for summer. Thanks for watching. Follow us for more tips.